Everybody, same day, same shirt, same muscles. You can't even see anything, okay? Yep. Now, this paint is done with. I threw at the camera. Wow, that was a bad idea. I just got paint all over. Good stuff, don't do that anymore. Don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. I should have got my stuff ready. I know better. I know better. No! Dang! Dang, girl. Dang. So. Wait. Get the memo. So now we're going to do the... Ah! I was like, no! 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 I was like, so now we are going to ow. Now we are going to ow. Now we are going to ow. Ooh, that actually hurt. And I'm recording. No, not right now. Not right now. What?
It says cars too.
Yeah. Go take it. Take it. Go. So, we are going to... Dang! Okay, that's going to be that wide. No, now I have to make it wider. Wow, you can't see any of this yet. You can't see nothing. Like, no, you can't see anything. So, basically, I messed up. I deserve it, because I'm stupid. No, I'm actually perfect. Shy guy. Shy guy. I'm not a guy. Like, shy guy, I'm not a guy. I will be right back. Yo guys, brother, been movie on my Xbox. Been touching my games. Okay, that's fine. So, painting up. Dang! Okay, I'm covering that up. Is it already wide enough? There we go. This is good so far. So far, so good. There we go. So, big black hole. That's what I see on there. This is actually blue. Wish there was a way to show you. There is! There is. Yep. Bring back the light over here. Light! Yep. Okay, now we're going to use a purple. Oh, no! Dang! dangerous. If there's anything different, I got splatters on it, and the thing is painted out. Brush that off. Okay, now it's clear. Brushing it off. Oh, this is actually really dangerous. That's really a bad example to do this. Don't do this, kid. Don't do this, kid. Don't do this. 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 Ow, my hand. Okay, I'm gonna make this side purple and these sides green. So okay. There we go. Not. Oh, Nanny.
Abby,
Yeah?
these little ones are in your room. You want them in there?
Is Aiden playing on my Xbox? I'm recording a
I
video.
think Aiden is.
Well, I have the controller, so that's false. That's a bad idea. Okay, now this might be less. Because I'm stupid and put water in it. Got water all over the table. The table. It's been 7 minutes. You know what? This video is going to be extra long. Okay. YouTube land, I love you. Yoo-hoo. Yay! Yep. Oh, I might, you know what? Great Wolf Lodge was different. I couldn't make a video. So I left my tablet in the car the whole 2 days. I couldn't get the car. We're having too much fun. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I feel horrible because I told all of my viewers that I was doing a video on Great Wolf Lodge. Then I didn't even do it. Like, I thought it was going... There was a water park there. I was like, oh, I can't make a video on that, but I can make a video on the other things. But, you know how that went. You know how that went.
You know, you too. Hey, give me the phone. Give me the phone. Come on. Abby, they shouldn't be in here. Abigail.
Hello, everybody.
I'm going to put this hook on the door.
Good. And now we're painting my brothers and sisters were in my room. Right,
Why don't
Nanny?
you close this?
Close what?
Close this door.
Okay. You leave me in here. Inside joke. When I was in Virginia, I get to make a video there because it was inappropriate. It wasn't appropriate. It was like inappropriate to family. Because most of my family doesn't know what YouTube is. Well,
Get over here now.
they
Go on. Go
do.
inside.
But I have little cousins there and stuff. My cousin there and stuff. I just drew on that. And, it was Thanksgiving. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make a video. It's Thanksgiving, it's a holiday. I had Cupcake didn't make a video for New Year's Eve. She did, but it was Mod Podge, a funny one. And she didn't make a video for Christmas, like I didn't. So, we both have our things there. It was too much for us. Because I had to do loads of Christmas shopping at my house. I had to wrap all the gifts. Actually spent money on it. So, stuff happens. And, Cookies Rosie, she didn't make a video. She doesn't even show the tree or anything. She just makes doll videos and stuff. And I know that. I really like that. That's why I subscribed to her. So, people have their different ways of doing stuff. And I have my different ways. As Cupcake does. A lot of people do. So, don't, like, judge. Like, you're not a good YouTuber. And don't judgment people. Sooner or later, I'm going to take my face off and just put it behind here. Like, oh, I'm painting today because some little girl called me ugly. It was stupid. It's been like 11 minutes now. My pastime. Oh wait, tomorrow I am doing a video. After school right away. Tuesday tomorrow? Yeah, it's Tuesday. Today. Tomorrow. So tomorrow I can actually... God! So, you fart. I farted. Oh, I can pierce when I fart. Got barbecue wings tonight. Know how to make that people feel. I'm getting tired, guys. This might be the last video. The Wonder World. Do Q&A. Question and I'll answer them. I really want to do that. Even you, Lourdes, you can do this. Write comment, ask your mom, comment. What is your favorite thing? How it started you to do YouTube? What? Like, what's that kind of stuff? Where do you live? And if you ever ask that question, I'll say, Earth. I live on Earth. What's your favorite video game? What started you on YouTube? Like, whatever. Anything you want. Even stuff like, mean questions, I'll answer them. Like, really. So, like, I'll answer mean questions, like, why are you so fat? I'll just say, I'm fat because... You don't even ask me to do stuff and I'll do it. Not stuff like serious stuff. Like, Mr. William, he rapped out his phone on Zuri. And that was, like, the Zuri on the phone. His name's Zuri. And it wasn't Zuri. He had a different phone. A guy with Brat Valley phone, and he said that. He said, I'm only trying to help you. Then he said, I'm sorry. And he said, it's okay. Now I feel bad. It's fine. So guys, I'm going to end this video here. It's the last video of the day. So bad twerps.